Hello, St. Paul's. I am back from my vacation time and back in the office and back doing ministry at St. Paul's. I want to thank Dan and Ian for bringing the messages in our services over the past 4 Sundays. I appreciate them very much. I appreciate the word that they brought to us. This is the update video for Friday, August the 7th. I don't have a whole lot to update because I'm just getting back myself. We have our live stream worship service on Sunday at 10:30 where you can participate live as part of the worshiping community, or you can view the video later and worship at a separate time, but still with us. The link for that is on our homepage, stpaulsottawa.com, and you can also find the link there for our children's ministry and our youth ministry and the various things that are going on in the church. A note that this Sunday, August 9th, there will be no regular Zoom Sunday school. The session will meet on Tuesday, August 25th, and at that point we will again discuss the possibilities of opening the building for the worshiping community. I don't want to read into what may or may not happen at that meeting, but we will be making a decision as to what happens at least in September on the 25th. So I would invite you to pray for the session as we come together on Zoom and discuss what is best for St. Paul's. I'm also bringing you a bit of an update on what is happening in the building and the renovations that are going on here. Just before I bring you some video on that, help is always appreciated, and if you have some time and are able to provide that time for work in the building, please contact Reg Wiley and he will be able to hook you up. Here's what's going on in our building. As you can see, chairs have been provided in the front porch area of the church in front of the sanctuary window. This is for small groups to meet outside and at a social distance, and we thank Kathy and Derek for providing these chairs. Inside the building, as we move from the lobby into the Jubilee Room, we can see that the Resource Center has been relocated now and is a part of the Jubilee Room. It looks fabulous, and you can also see that there is still lots of room for meetings and work to be done at the big table. Coming back to the lobby, moving towards the children's and the family space, the work to repair the walls and get things set is coming along there too. The doorway into the nursery that will come off of that space is also set. There is still some work to be done in the nursery, including a washroom on the far side of that wall. Coming back through our family space, we can see lots of styrofoam that will be used to insulate some of the walls. And into Campbell Hall, we can see that a lot has happened and is happening. The strapping is up on the walls. This permits wiring to be done in the walls with drywall on top. Some of those decorative beams have been taken down, and the ones that remain will become more decorative. Strapping is also being done on the ceiling to provide those panels that we saw in the plans. More electrical work has been done for electricity and for audio-visual work too. In the end wall, the east wall, those spaces without strapping are the spaces where there will be bigger windows and doors.